ko yewura Bernard Ntwibu esi akonso ho where Ashanti regional MPP chairman na mrani anipa di nimu pa ne chama wuntumi governor of Ashanti me moache
mejo so bro minia
na bako de
yakopa adom no mpa ebonti
ami governor na enede ne crusading guard ne dia asem bia babeto wa o wo se wo ede mampani mahama ba wo ba ne second term no ekọ Supreme Court na wase wa expired goods wa petition parliament judiciary any mampenda da ajeje na asari ko Supreme Court ada de ni wa hunu
yo Kwame dedi kan ma me chiamo na me mamu nyina fi shapa ni minuan mo kan ho na no pai me chia obia na Kwame ade wo ho nyina ne se samra ni ho a boni ni ho when there is no law there's no sin and see Ghana yemra ye wa ne national constitution ya article sa ye wo enu enenne dai ye begina ne de akasa na Kwame me na na ka sem bi de kire me wo se wutu sabe obadimi fofo wo kan sam papa de akire no oje no afa wo mutu muka na onyabone kura obedi na Kwame we ntimi ma yenyai adekura wasieka ene sawubia wo kwasore a onya sofo dan so utimi ka quotations so dan so ana wuntumi sa onya lawyer that's a politician so ka constitution a enye bone kom highway sa Kwame o ka say a ye wo automotive ayi bebre wo ho na say wo engineering ayi fo bebre wo ho dan so one for car kwabuso kan na se kwa ho fitafo na se mazia what you say anya dia car no kra be yi the wato no wontie article 66 in the national constitution article 66 no is pretty clear that obiano say yato abamawa I was say parliament yesuewu in na say yesuewu in na ebetimi ama waye president etisa wonya ye president ni bia afi ebetimi aba say bibi betimi asan betimi ato say sai to wa ebetimi aba say ubewu ebetimi aba say oba resign na say o resign a was say enipa wa ye vice president no wono ana was say otimi eye o wodi wade na ada ye besweni in I was the same parliament na first eye no was say beginning from the date ye besweni in no sada no ano sa 4 years na o boss no ho na o odie no aya dia wo so watwaso aye continuation na watwaso ama saka one day kura no a what do 4 years no uvia say we former president 1981 aya dia na president bi o Oliman yeku e dey two no oguso according to your constitution no oguso aye former president ade bia na wo se de man bia na de man no sa so ana aye we the so aye 2012 no as so beginning no so no aye dey say a former president bi so wu ye aye former president Atamas Onyankopon fa the clearance ono so wu ye no ono so ye so ni deputy no that's the vice president no ye so ni in na ofofele said ye etiti pepe said ye constitution no etiti Kwame a constitution we dey I'm try ye ushemua aye Rollins mu TV obin aye totobi party aye ahoy mu omo ena kabo mu a sa aye harisoya mu justice anan mu ena omo kabo mu ena sa constitution we ebayo tabla ne NDC apeso na me eba NDC enti yakra no na nya dia Ghana ha sei no na ye wo sa 1992 constitution the 1992 constitution what you say omu yi the brain PNDC law what you say ana omu de baya e so mu as a fourth republic no it is okay article 66 no dia kwame it's very clearly say idea former President Mahama sa and to asolo a yeso e no idea akwa bia so no odi first na okay aya one no asema what can I say or say a person elected as a president shall subject to a clause 3 of this article hold office for a term of 4 years beginning from the date on which he is sworn in as a president. Uber a year two no I can say a person shall not be elected to hold office as the president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. That three no I can say the office of a president shall become vacant. Or say no. Or say on which the expiration of the period specified in clause 1 they say equity of this article. Or B no say if the incumbent dies or resigns from office or cease to hold office under Article 69 of this Constitution. 4. The President may, by written signed by him, address to the Speaker of Parliament, resign from his office as a President. One may be able to come once a minute and say, apart from say to Abano, one can as a President, this one just more, who says to Abavia. They are saying, "Yes, sir. Obedia tu muni ade." Eti, uji tu muya. And that's why they are to make go. Ode letter and near the course and pass. The idea. And you, and now we are president to be. Eti no, I resign according to 1992 constitution. Now David Cameron or resign war. A friend say, Britain. Baba be former president, prime minister. Our UK, it's the entitlement to be annual, not a monument to be annual. I want to have the man Cameron, I want to prove to be a demand. It's the same side with the less you know. Also, me, mamma, yet as a prime minister, too. It is that, wouldn't you say, Oprah would dear, why me would to me and resign it. And according to the McCarthy way, or so will be a best way we eat at 2 tenths. It cannot be more than 2. It is also dear. Now, former President Mahama, Obabedi, Ayayura, John Ataba, Adiano, that's a new one. I know, court is so at the 2012 the man, no, but it's a little Obabedi too. But when Article 16, I can't say you all, especially 4 and 5, no. Or say, that's a Obi, the president, that's what we saw your president. Why won't you mean for them cockroach? What won't you mean for any rate? Now say any or can we use the word any, that is the key word. Who's the mean for him court to be so he took advantage of his incumbency and Sunday for 2016 election because he handed over to himself. And that time, it's also no president to this, So what is the court? Sabreno, now I got their court no crowd about allow. But they see Onya as a former president to be on here. It's not only about Mahama, it's about the Ghana constitution that Kwame to see how Tiasi. And Pedro Babino, that Kwame, no one Tiasi Bio, no one, not mean to so, want to be so Tiasi Bio, not small. And Pedro Babino, now run and send him pending for who do. Yabu Budi, Sawamuna Buama constitution by no money will be you. And sometimes, we have to take advantage to strengthen our constitution. That's a say that you are making it fair. Why Mr. Nyasa, Uber be as a vice president. So what's the more? Vice president to be our baby, no one the vice of Queen. We should not see that the 2 money at the crowd there. That's to say, allegation. Say, I idea, former president roll at the crowd or Buaka.
Chairman.
Yes, sir.
Ampa. Date 28 December. Obunu tini kotum.
Okay.
President.
Thank you. And I used to so I used to so former president Onyankopon for the cleansing Yewra Tamanto so hono abra hono so no or the Yewra John Dramani Mahama or the Koyoko se play bi a wakakoto ho asem ayayi otusu se sikara panena afane sase no ompene ade ne koy. So there was an intention na wo ho sabra no kra no so yetete say sabra no kra so ne Yewra John Dramani Mahama na ko o person resign as vice president asofo mpanimfo emo yetete say Dr. Williams mu ba mu ana omo ye owu ye ana constitution ne man kwan ana obabedi abia enti kwa me say wo hwe obia no obabedi president ni abia me for say Yewra Akufo-Addo eni ba umia pe ana omo office ni president no office no emfa eja emfa maaye se ye hwe office bia no aba ye the fourth republic e de kwa me ye nyina ya group bi ayabia president no office and the vice no office that bia no jada ho. Only this one and the Kwame so African countries in United States to come back. Na you na friend say politics so. And the satisfied se no yen nyina wo ho yi no. I was see a tree ni constitution. Sanyasa so we are president Kwame over to Onyawa obeku. What you say? And to show it clearly. Now we say ye yin nyina so free wa. Say ono akọ na one resign na adie bi e ma former president bia say e ma former president Rollins former president Kufo no ono so jere de no kwame aye dan na one resign. What is the meaning of liberation? Aye dan na what ase ni ade wa monument no ade amaru na utimi sa ba bio e ka article 66 no aye ade sisi e tiase no Yewra Rollins I was Ochiremu Ghana or the Ghana Foka. I was so Ochiremu and the Ghana about 1992 constitution. That's so Anna the judicial system and the parliament and so. I was almost so the back. Say I find me in 3B and yet only for Muhammad you. But say in 3B Kwame Uni hope you because okay Christians now 8 day conwa was in a nipa be anyone one from us to me. Won't to me name from us to me. Kwame Nkrumah ni inframaso to me. Eti ade twi na say Yewra Rollins ni ho, untumi ni ho, Kwame Nkrumah mu ni ho. Kwame Nkrumah tikasiye ni ho. O ti ase, ni ye ni ho a. Na ade kwa ehwehwe de ma ye ho no. Na timi aka na clear ama obia na atimi ye ho. Ayade a eda ho clear. So obia no ebetima so ani. Na Kwame okọ se wo so ya ndisi candidate. Eti wo ya ndisi candidate say eti former no unyi a monument ube sizi sa ube judge cardian diana. Okay, pamela sa u judge Jesus wa aha na nyansa ni bidia wo. Sa uko na ulusu a afa ebe busu afra former president na say ebe from NDC candidate. Kwame, this is a clear idea. I was here nyina na yaka amayehu. Kwame me dem dey say so bi akra na say 4 years na oba. Ana sa oba na say Ghana for to be a juma. That's a tuaba. That's a wulusu. Kwame. I don't want to resign the qua. Kwame is done. It's done. Because one resign. Because one resign farmer, the Speaker of Parliament. You put on no bano. And yet you are not going as the president.
Okay.
And you say, when you resign, they don't need money in Amawa. Kwame, so be it. Yamma Ghana and yet to say Mandela. Young Kai Mandela, then we Ghana ho MC MPP ni NDC. Then we Ghana be.
I see. Chama me to asia kwa de na gese nka 2012 no. Ye to aba. Enanka one win ni kwa 2012.
Constitution no, e beti so ama bibia no aye pepe. So ya e trip bi no. So be we are president, obi grand president.
Eju eda ba na abako court no.
Kwame, ayesa ye betimi asuo e besua de ama manfo nyina no atimi ase ansana yetimi akokọ ana sesi aso amene o kasa no so no also ya appeal to Rollins. Eti awasa Kwame mo frɛ Rollins now to the office. Now mu yi ano I appeal to speaker and so and the parliament. Awasa parliament so almost so Kwame mo no mo kasa no mu yi ano na judicial so eyi ano and finally ya towese to Supreme Court no. Eti san kokko ya appeal to omu nyina no. Ayade a ayemra no nti ana ma omu nyina no ewo ho. Enu nti no Kwame ebeye se ye nyina no yebebobo ho ama obia na hunu se tie ansana former president Mahama onu akasa wodi se unqualified because ayemra the same emra no article 66 no adeba eno na ma obedi a president. Eti sabre na wudi ye no ukoi na akọ skande eye year Sunday 2012 no ana court amfa amawa sela no ka obeji wa monument no ka abeka so ye former president o ti ase esi no wonu akasa no Tony Lutamo ayi wo ho Lutamo ho omu ntunefo because me de adwuma me ya na se me kan no obeya so brache na sela no anyakopon be prim na koma sefaru na wajina mu ba ye omu wie NDC ni dia omu ba be share the national constitution eno ho asem na Kwame me ne omu ka no eno de enye de asie dun katia ne fusan fofo be ka to jina ba bi ana o maka se ebia ya se aspirant fo nyina nkonko tia sei ayi o eho ne de ayi the national constitution ana omu nyina no na se ye nyina no ye kwakofre ete no eho asem na yeka na me de me kan nyina no me so stella onyankopon omprim na koma memom sa ayade a omu be hwe articles na Kwame na go to the carefully because emra ye ni mra is so enti sa omu taking as a joke omu be have surprise in their party forever and it will become a history. Me say emra ye ni mra ketwa e wo Ghana emra bi aso enti say omu ebu omu ni gusua intentionally so omu ye omu so omu bebu omu ni agu Kwame emra ya kan so okay article 68 it's clearly so we are ayade a o se de our monument de ma wo wadi article 69 atre article 61 ano atre ekwan a obefa so odi president Kwame so omu bu omu ni ku so one akoko primo ya yi a omu andi for the mbi omu bewie but omu wia anya na no say so the president o atre na oni e ba behia ati sesi an de adwuma me ya ne say Kwame Madawroma ye betimi atre ama manfo ahuru say anya otan na emo me ya Ghana ya constitution no na ye de ma say e betimi aboa ma ye democracy no atimi akoso na we fa de wo mu na tro ya bibi na tro
chama madam no
ya peso wo mu peso na wo mu tro ta constitution no this a Rollins di mienu no atimi amapio Jekufo di mienu no atimi amapio wa former president Mahama wa di mienu ono susu tibi mapio enti to mu bu amani kuso a Kwame me say odi asema ma ha sie no a Ghana for ne yesumo mo Ghana nya kese ensi MPP ni NDC de obegu so me so omu wia Ghana constitution be yaduma na obia no behunu se tumi ade ma obe di president no sa constitution no ano eno so wo tumi se etumi ka cho se girantai anu wa na kwa mi ye hu adwuma enti entebia no mo bete menka na so ehu hia se sesia edi amamu yi no ye begu so ani atratre na obia no ase ye na mama ye se edi tan na emum sa eye constitution wo mo akata party that time no and no mo say ye sha free the third republic you know and no mo ebebe jam push mu and no mo the PNDC law o mo the buy free PNDC law and the bar 1992 constitution Ghana constitution aho and ye guide the fourth republic you know ye guide the maye it usha not for the past 30 years no crowd here na MPP what I said, many are constitution plan, because now more DC chief executive sitting in Ano, Naya Yura, Rollins na appointed one more as a DC. What I say, say a show we no. They are nunti na make say Rollins. Emra no na metrimu empantre because the same mra anti amma kwine say Ebema Rollins akọ the third term no. The same mra no say a former president Mahama me enyina.
Chama
ana nyansa eni ni die.
Amen. Chama ginaso ne no kasa off air why e pacho. Chama Bernard Ntwibu osia ko bonu mra ne se chama wuntumi ene twe komo governor of Ashanti ene twe komo